Alright, so I'm making this video because I'm having issues with the Stella gimbal. I bought it from CNC Heli and basically brought it home, installed it, and I don't know, just getting this weird issue. So I'm going to show you guys what I have going on here. This is a test battery, 3S LiPo, reasonable battery, nothing wrong with it. The voltage is 11.2. So that's more than enough. It's like a 3S charge. And here we go. What I got is a wiring going up to this guy, up and into the back here. You see where it goes in right there. And it is going into the B slot, which is for battery power. Alright. And let's power this guy up. So let's grab the switch just here. Alright, usually on the first try, this is what I get. It's nothing. Power it down. Let's make it a little more level there. Let's try it again. And this is what I've been getting. I'm not sure what this is, but it looks like it's like failing to initialize, or something is just definitely not going right here. And like I said, I've never flown it or anything. I just basically took it out of the box and installed it, and these are the results that I'm getting. So hopefully someone at Xaircraft could help me out with this guy. Alright, so thanks guys.